Alright, so I just thought I'd make a quick video here on this Toro commercial lawnmower. I bought this second hand, did a little bit of work to it, and I've been using it for about a month now. It's a good lawnmower. It has the Kawasaki engine, the pressurized oiling system, the automotive style oil filter. There's the air filter there. A nice large fuel tank on it. Before this, I was using a Craftsman lawnmower that I purchased brand new in 2014, and the deck's starting to get rusty on it. The Craftsman was a rear wheel drive self-propelled unit, which this is too, but the build quality between this and the Craftsman, it's honestly, this lawnmower is one of the best built lawnmowers that I've ever owned. Like I said, it's an aluminum deck. I've had to do some odds and ends to it. I did buy it second hand, so I've repainted this here, took all the decals off of it, and rocker guarded it and painted it. I haven't done an oil change on it yet, but I should. I changed the back tires. The person who I bought it off of gave me 4 new tires for it, 2 baggers, and the mulch plug. I've only mulched with it. It's a super recycler, so it's really good for mulching. Yeah, I just cut the backyard here, and the grass here is not that great, but the lawnmower does do a very good job. And I'll start it up so you can hear it. It's really quiet. I do wear hearing protection when I mow, but I mean, if you didn't, this lawnmower probably wouldn't hurt your ears too much. So it does have a blade brake clutch, so you can leave it idling. To engage the blades, you can slide this over, pull back, and then to use the self-propel, you can also just use the self-propel if you want as well. Yeah. See, it does run well. This is probably the best lawnmower that I've ever owned. It's really well built. Anyways, here's just a quick look at it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.